Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum. This product retails for $48. I'm super excited to try this out because it seems to be a unique formulation from Glow Recipe. It's their first serum where they're using a retinol complex. I love it because it seems to have a lot of supporting and nourishing ingredients for the skin barrier while also being labeled as an acne treatment. This does have retinol in it. I'll be interested to see how often I can use it, but I don't like that they included fragrance in this. I just don't get the appeal of fragrance, especially when you are combining it with other actives. It seems like they tried to go for a more soothing approach with the blemish serum. But in my head, it kind of eliminates that when you add fragrance because people who are sensitive or acne prone may not be able to use fragrance. Really wish they didn't include it in this formula, but I am personally someone who is able to tolerate that. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in a recyclable package. They do have a triple retinol blend in this product. They also have blackberry extract, glycerin, and ectoin. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. The main things I'll be looking for with it include how often do I feel like I can use it, does it cause any sensitivity, and also what results do I notice with it. I'm only going to use it for a couple of weeks, so I'm not expecting to see dramatic results, but still that will be something I'm looking for. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check. So I will see you all in the next check. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. I am very excited to try it. They have bold claims attached to it that you can use it every night. They also say it's not supposed to cause any sensitivity, and I also want to see what the fragrance is like in it because Glow Recipe has been known to have some pretty fragranced products. I don't like that they include it with a retinol. If you're not able to use fragrance, then sadly this probably won't be for you. Still, I am. That is super moisturizing. Taking into account that this is a Retinal serum and also has retinol in it as well, this is really impressive for moisturization. Oh, yeah, that's pretty bad. That fragrance is really potent. Some of it does smell like it could be just the natural fruit extract in it. There's definitely some added fragrance in that too because it smells a little bit artificial. All of Glow Recipe's products kind of have a similar smell, and that's what I'm getting from this. You do get a fairly good amount of this product, but for the value, if you are going to use this every day, you are going to go through it pretty quickly. I feel like, I don't know. I'm gonna take a couple of pumps of this. My acne is not terrible right now. I'm using this at night. And I'm mainly gonna focus it where I get acne because I feel like that is what this treatment is supposed to do. I'm going to use it on my drier areas as well, just to test it out to see how moisturizing or how it performs in those areas. Fragrance is definitely there whenever I'm applying this product, but it's not suffocating. That practically dried down to nothing, but it does give a nice light dewy finish, which I enjoy. I like that this is a designated acne serum with these ingredients in it because these ingredients have been some that I've used to treat acne, but they've combined them all in one with a lot of amazing hydrating ingredients as well. I just hate fragrance and retinol. That is my biggest boundary with skincare, is combining fragrance with more intense actives like retinol or chemical exfoliants. Just not my favorite way to apply that, but every product, every formulation is different. So we'll be just seeing how my skin reacts to it. The fragrance is definitely pretty potent though, so if you don't like that or you're sensitive, I definitely avoid it. Overall though, my skin feels moisturized for a retinol product. It doesn't feel dry and there's no sensitivity to my skin. It just comes down to, even though I can tolerate fragrance in skincare, it's not my favorite, but still I'm going into this with an open mind. I'm gonna see how my personal results are with it and what I notice, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I'm gonna talk about the things I liked about this serum and then the things that I wish this serum didn't include. Overall, I had a good experience with it. This is a really impressive formulation in my opinion because it includes 3 derivatives of retinol in a really moisturizing formula to give a gentle delivery to retinol, but I feel like that was really defeated with the fragrance that they included in this product. I've talked about it before, but including fragrance in skincare is not my favorite, and especially when it comes to retinol or actives, unless it's a wash-off treatment, I really don't prefer using fragrance on my skin. And if you are more sensitive, I wouldn't recommend using this, especially if you are sensitive to fragrance or you break out from fragrance. Just be aware of that. I didn't see any crazy results with it because I just used it for for a couple of weeks, but I did have a good experience with it overall. I'm personally someone who is able to tolerate fragrance in skincare, but that all comes down to your own skin tolerance and knowing what you can handle. Ultimately, I wouldn't recommend going for a fragrance and active skincare product. This is supposed to be a more gentle version of Retinol, and that's how they've marketed this product. With the fragrance, I don't feel like that marketing is 100% accurate, and I really just wish they would have opted to not include that in this formulation, because it is ultimately a really good product in my opinion. I can't think of any other specific designated alternatives to it. Ultimately, they've marketed this as a blemish serum, which I understand the appeal of. Ultimately though, in my experience, Retinal have shown subtle benefits with acne, but they take longer to show those. Ultimately, I feel like you could just go for a simple Retinol or Retinal serum, and then also a soothing moisturizer or hydrating serum to complement it. I like that this product was an all-in-one, but sadly, since they included fragrance in this, I'm going to provide some fragrance-free alternatives, but they do come in separate products. If you all know of another alternative that is similar to this with similar ingredients, please let me know. My favorite Retinal serum is the Geek and Gorgeous Retinaldehyde. They have a 0.05, which I would recommend starting out with, and is more gentle like this product. And their Hydration Station moisturizer has a lot of soothing ingredients in it as well. Even if it's not enough, since it is a gel cream, you could layer it as a hydration product. Also, Good Molecules has a gentle retinol moisturizer. There are multiple alternatives to this product. I am just providing those if you are sensitive to fragrance. The fragrance definitely hurt my opinion of it, but since I was able to use it, I am going to continue to use it and see what other results I notice with my acne. I saw subtle benefits. I didn't notice anything negative with it. It didn't cause any purging, and it was an extremely gentle derivative of retinol. I also found that I was able to use it every day without any sensitivity. I use it once a night, and it was perfect for me personally. Even though I don't like to use fragrance in skincare, this formulation is really great in my opinion. I provide those alternatives if you are looking for a more affordable fragrance-free option, but ultimately I'm gonna have to continue using it and keep you all updated on whether or not I will repurchase this product. The fragrance is hurting my opinion, but if I see great results with it, then it will make it a little bit more worth it. I hope this video helped give you a perspective on this product. I'm really upset because this had a lot of potential. When I saw Glow Recipe releasing this, I was really excited. I didn't see the ingredient list when it first launched, but when I saw fragrance was in there, I was disappointed but not surprised, because they have been known to include essential oils and fragrance in their products. Use your own judgment with it. I'm going to personally continue using it and keep you all updated through short form content. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe, because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.